Hello students, today I am going to teach you our next topic of class 8 physics chapter 13. In this chapter 13 we have to read our page number 242 of this book, in which you have to complete the following topics. So today I am going to explain you the topics which is given: amplitude, time period and frequency of a vibration. So this is the topic which I am going to explain you tomorrow. So today I am going to explain these topics. If you see in your book, here is given a repeated back and forth motion is called vibration or oscillation. So first we have to read about what is vibration. Motion which repeat itself back and front is known as vibration or oscillation. When an object moves back and forth continuously, we say that it making vibration or making vibration, oscillation. ठीक है? According to this line, if a body moves back and forth or back and forward direction in repeated mode, so that is known as vibration. In these topics we have to read about amplitude, time period and frequency. So we come to our topic. So here is given amplitude of vibration. What is the definition of amplitude of vibration? The maximum displacement of vibrating object from its central position is called amplitude of vibration. In other words, the maximum displacement of an oscillating object from its central position is called amplitude of oscillation. It means the maximum displacement means the total distance which covered by an object from its central position is called amplitude of vibration. Come we understand this from figure. What is the definition of amplitude of vibration? Here is figure in your book, and this is your central position, and this is a metal ball. This is a metal ball tied with a string. If we take back this ball from this position beside extreme position, and it come to its central position and then repeats itself to its extreme position, this is known as amplitude of vibration. The displacement between central position and extreme position known as amplitude of vibration, okay, which is given in your book here. After that we have to read time period of vibration. Time period of vibration. The definition of time period of vibration is the time taken by pendulum bob to complete one vibration or one oscillation is called time period of pendulum. Okay, so this is the definition of time period of vibration. The time taken by pendulum bob to complete one vibration. It means, come in figure, the time taken to complete its one vibration from extreme position this A, from A to B and B to C. This is one complete vibration. So this is the time taken to complete this journey is known as its time period of vibration. Okay, time period of vibration or oscillation is called time period of pendulum. Okay, our next topic is frequency of vibration. Next and last topic of time pendulum this. So the definition of you can see the number of vibration made per second by vibrating body is called frequency of vibration per second, means in 1 second. It means that the number of oscillations made by the bob to complete is known as frequency of vibration. The number of vibration made is in per second is called the frequency of vibration. It means the number of oscillations completed by the bob from extreme position A to extreme position B and to its central position C is known as frequency of vibration. Okay, so frequency of vibration is what? The number of vibrations made per second is called frequency of vibration. Okay.